Log into your Chime and saw account under review. Don't panic because it's fixable and you just need to know the right step to speed it up. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you go to your Chime Help Center and type is why can I log into my account, there are several reasons why you might not able to log into your account. Now if you scroll down, and here is our today's question. Your account is on hold or under review. So why that might happen? If unusual activity is detected, then Chime places a temporary hold on your account to review the activity, and holds will be removed once your account is deemed secure. But if you're unable to access your account due to a temporary hold, then you can call Chime's uh, call center. Now, first thing you need to know that always check your email from Chime because they usually send details about why your account is under review. Next, you have to gather your verification documents because this can include a government issued ID, proof of address, or proof of income sources. Now, you have to reply promptly. Send exactly what Chime requests because any incomplete submission can delay the process. Next, we have to avoid multiple submission. Also, sending documents repeatedly can cause extra delay. Now, next we have to do is be patient and wait for Chime's response. So, reviews can take a few business days. So, contacting support via in-app chat may speed things up, and that's it. Just be patient and wait for their call, or you can also uh, chat with them on your app. So, just